and then there were some that were more like damage dealers. But I don't think this has been there before, but I'm just gonna use it now. But I feel like a character that's dying. I didn't realize I activated that. Oh shit, I'm so close. Come on. Akira one. Yeah, the Akira one. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Oh. Okay. Get that out of the way. Oh shit, what the fuck? I just noticed the blast. 今気づいた。やばい。Wow. What was I saying? Wait, what was I saying? What was I leading up? Big stretch. Oh yeah, she stretches endlessly. Oh, a little explosion there. Oh, nice. Oh, it shoots them away too. So you like... Oh no, don't do that. Don't run into them. That's not that kind of a skill. Okay. 強いね、女神やん。天使。Angel. Okay, maybe we can think about, other attacks. How about... I mean, it's not very idol-like, but...